Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Favor Fashion House, and in today's video we're going to be learning how to make this silk skirt. Okay, I couldn't fit it in because this is not mine. But in the next video I'm going to be making another detailed tutorial while making mine. Please stay tuned to watch the end of this video, like, share and comment. Let's get straight into the video. So this is the fabric I'll be using. This is a Duchess fabric and I have about 2 years of fabric. So what you'll be needing is your fabric and your zipper, preferable invisible zip, please. So I went ahead to fold my fabric in a triangle way, just the way you see it in this video. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be making another detailed video when I'm cutting my own. Okay, I'm going to make another detailed video if you do not really understand this one. So the next thing I did here is to measure my waist measurement divided by 4 plus extra 1 inch allowance for the joining. I find where the is going to match and which is over there, and I mark it out. So for my waist measurement, I measure all the way to my hip line and also mark it out. So and for my waist measurement, I'm going to measure to the length of this skirt, and the length I'm using is 26 inches. So you're going to mark it just the way you see me doing in this video. And after doing that, I'm going to measure your hip measurement divided by 4 plus extra 1 inch allowance for joining, and do the same thing on your waist divided by 4 plus extra 1 inch allowance for joining. Then you're going to connect the lines together. So there is a part I made a mistake here. Please, in your own, don't make this kind of mistake. You measure what you have on your hip measurement divided by 4. As in whatever you have on this or hip, measure it, and on the length of this skirt, add extra 4-inch allowance. The mistake I made was I did not add that extra 4-inch allowance. The skirt came out beautiful, but it was looking straight. So that it won't look straight. Okay, add extra 4-inch allowance so it can give you that little flare at the down part. I hope you understand. So for this skirt, the zipper is going to be on the side. So the front and the back is going to be this. I'm going to cut it the same way because the zipper is going to be on the side. So go ahead to cut it out, then you place it on top of you fold another fabric in a triangle form again, and you place this one on top of it and cut out the back. So my love, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share my video to your loved ones, and if you're a new subscriber, you are highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe, like and share. To my returning subscriber, God bless you all. And also please follow me up on my social media handle. I'm going to be putting their links in the description box and also my comment section. Let me know what you think about this skirt if you're going to be trying it out. Okay, if it's a bit confusing to you, do not worry. I'm going to be making my own skirt. I'm going to be making a very detailed video about it. So once you're done cutting, this is how it's going to look. You're going to place the front and the back front side facing each other. Then I'm measuring the length where I want my zipper to get to. Then once I measure the other part I'm marking out now, which is the 1 inch, I'm going to join it together. That zipper side is going to be open because I'm going to be inserting my zipper at the side. So on the other side, you're going to join it 1 inch all the way down, just the way you see me indicating in this video. So and after joining it, this is how it's looking. You can see the zipper side is open. So now I'm going to measure from one side of the zipper. I'm going to measure my waist measurements round from one side of the zipper to the other side of the zipper, so I can cut out the facing for this skirt. In this video also, I'm going to be showing you if you want to use elastic on your waist, on the waist side. I'm also going to show you how to do it. So what I measured here is just 2 inches. That is what I measured here, so I'm just cutting it out right now. And you can see that after cutting it out, I'm going to place this facing front side of the facing facing the front side of the fabric. Then I'll pin it together and sew it all the way round. After joining the facing to the fabric, the next you're going to do is to turn the facing to the back side and fold in half inch and top stitch on top. You're trying to create a hole for the elastic. In my own case, I'm not going to be putting any elastic, but if you're going to be putting elastic, this is how you're going to put it just inside there, okay? But in my own case, I'm not going to put any elastic because the fabric is a bit stretchy. So I'll go ahead and join my zipper and also hem the damper. And after doing that, this is the final look. So then please stay to the next video. If you do not understand this part, let me know in the comment section. God bless you all. Bye.